Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Big Ben, and today this is episode 7 of Six Figure Trading. Okay, these episodes are about this me talking about what it takes to be a six-figure trader, and just showing you, the possibilities. Okay, right now I'm actually in this trade. I'm up 2,000 and some odd dollars right now. I'm looking for a little bit more downside. I'm actually probably looking to close the trade soon. Just give me a second. Give me a second. I want this thing to blast some more. 220, 250. Actually, hold on, guys. Let me see. All right, I'm out the trade. All right. So basically, if you look at the I was down $250, which is nothing, but now I'm up $250. Okay, and but that's not the reason why I'm actually doing this video. I actually want to talk about uh, how to get rich quick when it comes to trading. Okay, I know that sounds like a hyped up, title, or it sounds like something that's not doable, right? But at the same time, hear me out. Okay, now for the most part, we was taught to what? Go to school, then go to college, then get a job, invest in 401ks, wait until we're 65 years old to retire, and then have fun, right? So for the most part, all your life you're working, you're right, and you're waiting for that certain age to retire, and that's gonna take you what, 30 to 40 years or even more, and that's a slow way of just building wealth. And a lot of times when you go that route, a lot of times you're not even building wealth. You just have enough when you retire. Okay, you can't really do what you really want to do. Okay, now how to get rich quick when it comes to trading, okay, is actually the best way that I know is actually learning from people that's doing this, okay, full time. People that's basically successful at this, right? Now, just because you're learning from them doesn't mean that you're gonna make millions of dollars the next day, okay? When I say get rich quick, basically what I'm saying is it don't have to take you 30, 40 years to actually start to see, decent wealth or decent money, okay? It might take you 3 years, 5 years, right? Or sometimes, depending on your work ethic and, how you can actually understand things, it might be even 2 years, okay? So when I say get rich quick, I'm not saying quick as in like overnight. Okay, there's a difference. The reason why I'm saying get rich quick is because if you compare it to the old way, which is basically go to college, save up money, and invest in 401ks, different things like that, and you have to wait until you're 65 years old to basically enjoy life, which is crazy. Then yes, if you compare to that, if you start, making a decent income 3 years from now, 4 years from now, yes, that is quick. Okay, that is quick because now you don't even have to wait for 40 years or 30 years. Okay, so honestly, I really believe in learning from people that's basically doing this. All right, like for me, like a lot of people will probably think since I'm a full-time trader, I don't learn anymore. No, that's trust me, I still learn. I still learn from other people. Actually, right now I'm in the process of learning options, and I want to add that to my my overall strategies. And basically, I'm gonna have to pay someone that's successful in the option game some money so I can learn from them. Okay, I don't mind paying money because I know that education is going to actually pay me over and over and over and over. Okay, so me personally, the quickest way is actually learning from people, because if you trust me, if you try to do this on your own, man, this is a tough game to the point where it's just you're just gonna be scratching your head. Okay, but overall, guys, I took the trade, and we had resistance. Okay, we had resistance right here, and I took a short. And honestly, they was playing a lot of games around here. I took a short around this area right here. But I mean, literally, I was in this trade, for at least an hour and something before they did this big splash. Okay. But I got my money, so I'm not complaining. I mean, making 2,000 in one day is not. I mean, I can't complain. But that's the reason why I took the trade. If you want to learn how I'm basically averaging 1K to 5K per day from trading, the futures market. This is actually the I'm sorry, this is the crude oil right here. It's the futures market. I switch back and forth depending on which market is moving better. You got the Nasdaq, you got the gold, you got the Dow, S&P 500, you got crude oil. You got a lot of different markets you can actually trade. You can trade the forex, some forex pairs. So like I said, if you want to learn how I'm doing this, it's the first link below. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email me. Talk to you guys later. Make sure that you practice your butt off. Okay, learn from people. Honestly, it don't even have to be from me. Okay, learn from people that's actually doing this full time, and once you can learn from that, you will speed up your success. It's just how it works. Okay, that's why boxers have trainers, right? Professional athletes have coaches. Everybody have someone on their side so they can actually speed up their success. Okay, that's if you want to be successful. I mean, I don't know. Some people act like they want to work, for the rest of their lives. But anyway, check out that first link below. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and talk to you guys later.